Theory. Meaning: a supposition or a system of ideas intended to explain something. Synonyms: hypothesis, idea, concept. Sentence: Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space and time. Strain. Meaning: a force tending to pull or stretch something to an extreme or damaging degree. Synonyms: stress, tension, pressure. Sentence: lifting heavy boxes all day put a strain on his back. Constantly. Meaning: continuously over a period of time. Always. Synonyms: continually, incessantly, perpetually. Sentence: she constantly checked her phone for new messages. Flour. Meaning: a powder obtained by grinding grain, typically wheat, and used to make bread, cakes, and pastry. Synonyms: meal, powder, ground grain. Sentence: she sifted the flour before adding it to the cake mix. Boast. Meaning: to talk with excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's achievements, possessions, or abilities. Synonyms: brag, crow, show off. Sentence: he likes to boast about his impressive collection of vintage cars. Baby. Meaning: a very young child, especially one newly or recently born. Synonyms: infant, newborn, child. Sentence: the baby giggled as she played with her favorite toy. Everybody. Meaning: every person. Synonyms: everyone, all, each person. Sentence: everybody in the office received an invitation to the annual party. Soon. Meaning: in or after a short time. Synonyms: shortly, promptly, quickly. Sentence: she'll be arriving soon, so let's get ready to welcome her. Previously. Meaning: at a previous or earlier time. Before. Synonyms: earlier, formerly, before. Sentence: she had previously worked as a teacher before becoming a writer. Bail. Meaning: the temporary release of an accused person awaiting trial. sometimes on condition that a sum of money is lodged to guarantee their appearance in court. Synonyms: bond, surety, security. Sentence: he was released on bail after the court hearing. Shoe. Meaning: a covering for the foot, typically made of leather, with a sturdy sole and not reaching above the ankle. Synonyms: footwear, boot, sandal. Sentence: she bought a new pair of running shoes for her morning jogs. Snap. Meaning: to break or cause to break suddenly and completely, typically with a sharp cracking sound. Synonyms: break, crack, split. Sentence: the twig snapped under his foot as he walked through the forest. Roof. Meaning: the structure forming the upper covering of a building or vehicle. Synonyms: top, covering, canopy. Sentence: they had to replace the roof after the storm damaged it. Sweet. Meaning: having the pleasant taste characteristic of sugar or honey, not salty, sour, or bitter. Synonyms: sugary, saccharine. Sentence: she loves the sweet taste of fresh strawberries. Monkey. Meaning: a small to medium-sized primate that typically has a long tail, most kinds of which live in trees in tropical countries. Synonyms: primate, ape, simian. Sentence: the monkey swung from branch to branch with ease. Passport. Meaning: an official document issued by a government, certifying the holder's identity and citizenship, and entitling them to travel under its protection to and from foreign countries. Synonyms: travel document, identification, ID. Sentence: she showed her passport at the airport immigration counter. Orientation. Meaning: the determination of the relative position of something or someone, especially oneself. Synonyms: alignment, positioning, introduction. Sentence: the university held an orientation for the new students. Lead. Meaning: to guide or direct in a course. Synonyms: guide, direct, conduct. Sentence: she was chosen to lead the project team due to her experience. Fraud. Meaning: wrongful or criminal deception intended to result in financial or personal gain. Synonyms: deception, scam, deceit. Sentence: he was arrested for committing tax fraud. Package. Meaning: an object or group of objects wrapped in paper or plastic, or packed in a box. Synonyms: parcel, packet, bundle. Sentence: she received a package in the mail containing her new book. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.